Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Diamond here, also known as Diamond Denise. So today I am just creating a hairstyle on my head. I am trying to grow my hair out. I have a goal that I want to reach. I'm trying to kind of want to get my hair down to about right. It's right here. I want to get it like the. Ooh, I can't stand up. It's like, okay, stretched out. It comes like probably to right here. So I want to get it like to here-ish, that area. So I'm going to try to just be consistent with a hair routine, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. Deep conditioning weekly. I have like a whole list. Co-washing, when to shampoo, just everything. So I'm gonna try to do that just to retain some length. Today I'm just gonna do some mini twists on my head, and I'm going to let you guys see how I do that. I just kind of rinsed out a deep conditioner, and yeah. So stretched out is actually, yeah, about a little bit longer than I said, but head straight, stretched, yeah. So we got a goal, guys. I'm trying to get a little bit longer, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do some mini twists on my head, and I'm using Mielle products. Mielle products, you can get these from Sally's. I think you can get from Target. They have a lot of locations now. I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to use the twisting souffle. Then of course I have my spray water bottle. I'm not going to try to even part my hair into any type of uniform section, so I don't have a comb or anything. And we're going to just begin. So I'm going to do a few with you guys, and then the rest I'm gonna finish off camera, and then I'll just show you guys the finished look. So I guess we'll just start in the back. This is supposed to be just a really good protective hairstyle, and I'm gonna also dust my ends as I go. So once I twist it, any areas that I have that just kind of need to be cleaned up, I'm gonna just clean them up. And if you're not subscribed, this will be a good time for you to go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you share this video, like it, tell a friend. All my subbies, no, everyone that watches my videos are people that are not subscribed to my channel. So please go ahead and subscribe. You're already watching. Go ahead and do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna take some water. I have to go somewhere in the morning, and my hair is not going to be. I'm gonna take the souffle first. I should have took the conditioner, but the souffle. Next time I'll probably do the conditioner. And I'm just gonna make sure I put it all on this hair real good. I really don't want my hair to be soaking wet, so I probably put a little too much, because I don't want the twist to be super wet. But just gauge it by when you as you do it, just gauge it. If you're gonna, you know, rock it and you're okay with it being wet, then and take a long time to dry, then I guess you can put as much as you want. But if you don't want that, then just kind of gauge how much product you put on your hair and how much water you put on it. I'm doing these kind of small, so it's probably gonna take me a while. But I'm gonna go ahead and just start. All you have to do is really just take a section and twist it. I'm just making sure it's pretty much detangled as I'm twisting, and like I'm having pieces of hair like coming out. My ends probably need to be trimmed. It's been a minute. So as I get to the end, I'm gonna just kind of observe them, and I can tell like when they're split, or you know, depending on how they look. And I'm just gonna take my scissors, and I'm just gonna cut off what needs to be cut off. So you don't have to cut off too much, but I'm gonna just like kind of like dust my ends off as I twist. That might be a little too small. I don't think I want to do them all that small. I don't want to be here all day either. You want your parts to be in somewhat uniform fashion, so it might be a good idea to have a little mirror so you can always check and see if you're kind of in the same area, at least in the same church. You ain't gotta be on the same pew, but at least be in the same church. That's what my professor says all the time in class. You're in the right church, but you're on the wrong pew. So funny. But anyways, this is gonna take a while, so I'm going to get the twisted and I will show you guys how it looks when I am done. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. It took me some hours. I will not do this again starting at nighttime. I will start in the beginning of the day. But I do like it. I feel like it's going to last me a couple of weeks, maybe 2 weeks. I don't think it's going to last any longer than that, honestly. But we'll see. I'll let you know. I'll keep you updated. But these are my results, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this video is very helpful and if you want to try this look, leave me some comments down below. Make sure you're subscribed so you can be updated when I post any new videos, and give it a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video. Bye.